Okay, in this recording we'll show you how to connect to the retro printer using Bitvise SSH Client. It's quite easy to do. You just need to download Bitvise SSH Client. If you look for that on Google, you'll go to this screen and then you can click on Bitvise SSH Client Installer. Once it's downloaded, install that on your PC. And you'll see it opens a window where it installs everything. Standard Windows installer. Installed, and you open this, you'll see a window like this. Make sure that the host you type in is retro-printer, username is root, initial method has to be by password. I normally store it in a profile, and the password, as you should know from the manual, is root, so nice and easy to remember. And then you can just log in, and then this is the file manager, which allows you to see files on the retro printer. If you're interested in seeing what you've captured before, go to /home/pi/data to give you that type of display, and then all the raw data we capture is stored in the raw folder. The output PDFs we generate stored under PDF, and if you ever have any problems, we need the contents of this folder basically. You'll also get the manual normally in there as well. We don't need that obviously, but the important things for us are the logs, the raw data and the PDFs, so that we can investigate what's going on. And then the other window that you may need is a terminal console. If you go back to Bitvise, and that opens up like that. That allows you to control the Raspberry Pi that's inside the retro printer, and you can set up Raspberry Pi options with raspi-config, or you can stop the retro printer or restart it by doing service retro printer stop and service start, and hopefully that will get you going. You can edit all the configuration files with nano root config, whatever the name of the emulation file, the configuration file is, so we'll go with emulation here. Now we've got Epson we want, so you press Ctrl X when you've finished editing the file, and then Y to save it, file name to overwrite. That's it, and then do your service stop and start, and the retro printer's good to go. If you need any more help, watch our other videos. Thank you.